Let me show you how we can hard reset our POCO M8 Pro by using the recovery mode. So first of all, we will have to restart our phone. So we're gonna use the power button and volume up button in order to open the power menu. And then over here, just swipe down over here to the reboot option. And once that happens, once you start rebooting, press and hold volume up. And keep holding the volume up button until you open the recovery mode. So first you will see the POCO logo, but you want to still keep holding the volume up button until you see the recovery mode. There we go. Now once you see the recovery mode, we can navigate in this menu by using volume buttons. And of course you want to choose the wipe data option. Confirm your choice by using the power button. And then in here you need to confirm that you want to erase everything, so choose wipe all data, and once again confirm with the power button. Keep in mind that everything on your phone will be removed, so remember to make a backup of everything that is important that you don't want to lose. In case you do the hard reset of the phone, and you go back to the main menu of recovery mode, in order to now go back to the normal mode, we just have to reboot our phone. So make sure that reboot is selected and confirm by using the power button, and then once again choose reboot to system. That is pretty much it. Subscribe to my channel.